Hi, this is Sharon from Absolute Apparel, and ladies, this video is for you. These are my 3 top picks of blouses that are going to keep you cool in summer for your work uniforms. Our first blouse is the Vienna top. What I love about the Vienna top is that it's beautiful and light and flowy. Heaps of room in the sleeves, and then you've got this cute little button here that just gives you a little keyhole. It's nice and long and just falls really nicely over the back, and it looks good worn out or tucked in. And this Vienna top comes in black, navy, storm blue, and a beautiful bright cobalt blue. My second favorite top for summer is the Kayla Blouse. Sleeves, not quite as long as the Vienna, but still a good sleeve, a really nice V-neck, and a little pleat in here to give you some room. This top also looks great tucked in or worn out, again with some really nice length. Great for all shapes and sizes. The Kayla comes in a whole bunch of colors: black, navy, raspberry, silver, aqua, dusty rose, and auburn. A beautiful top and really a favorite. And my third top pick for summer is this brand new Unity blouse. It's fairly new to the market. As you can see, nice and long, covers again, looks great tucked in. You will notice the nice little keyhole here, but there is also pleating here. So if you want to put your logo on it, I would recommend doing it like this on the sleeve. Heaps of room in the sleeve, and again, nice, light. The best thing about all of these is they are literally a wash, hang, wear. Nice and easy, you pretty much can't kill them. So they're my top picks. Hope you're loving them. They're all on our website. This Unity top comes in black, charcoal navy, and a new green. So just search the name of the top on our website, absoluteapparel.com.au, and you'll be able to see them, all the sizes available, and we'd love to help you feel nice and cool this summer.